and welcome back to the channel. In episode 5 of Reborn as a Vending Machine, I now wander the dungeon. So last episode, Boxo got abducted by bandits, and one of the guys from the first couple episodes kidnapped him with his crew. But Boxo, of course, survived it. We met Hilmi, the witch, kind of magic engineer lady, who is super smart, super capable. She's my favorite character this entire show. She's fantastic. She's super adorable, and also very, very smart. So she's just the greatest kind of person. Even better than Lamis. So I'm really excited to see where they go from here, just overall in the show, considering we still have 7 episodes left, including this episode, which is called Vanity, Pride, and Vending Machine. I'm really interested to see what happens with things of, like, in the part I stopped for the intro, we have a backstory. So it's been so long since I've read the light novel that I can't even remember anything that happens in any of these, because it's been on hiatus for so long that I stopped like 5-6 years ago, whoever knows. So I'm really interested to see where things will be going, and that now that like the bad guys are done in the show so far, I'm excited to see what happens further on, and like if the fights get better, if the characters get stronger and more backstory happens. Like episode 5, they're finally doing backstory. So we'll see what happens, and let's just get right into it. Okay, so it looks like Humi's the same age as Lamis. Maybe a year or two apart, give or take. Okay, so she slept on top of him ever since he got kidnapped. Oh, of course. That sucks. Yeah, so I guess she was born with it. It wasn't like a hero thing where when she gets in trouble, she comes and punches the guy in the face. What about where she was previously? She just moved in here just in a tent. I'm curious to see. Oh, okay, the twin tails. I like how they're like surrogate dads for her. That's awesome. At least they're nice, protective guys. I know what she wants. Oh, at least she's being nice. Nice. Kanashi. That was a great face. Well, that was quick. They immediately went right into it. Kanashi is who we're looking for. Their faces. What are they, like 11 or 12, and they're already making those crazy faces at each other? With the noble laugh, of course. I agree. That's insane. I love her laugh. So what, are they gonna have just a magic and engineer fight? I'm already enjoying this show with this episode so far. Oh, these 3 characters together I think is the dream team for me. They're just so funny together. That dude just wearing an eye patch. Just a straight stick? Oh, okay.
俺も考えてみたことがあるぞ。楽しみだぜ。
Oh, God. This guy, man.
まあ、そういう反応だよな。
So they're basically just like toys, like from the 1980s, essentially. This guy was competent. Okay.
私の窓口の出番ですわ。とくとご覧ください。お手並み拝見だな。どうせ大したものではありませんわ。
Oh, is it a automaton?
魔物を参考に生み出された魔道具。そう、人の命令を聞く魔道具です。
That's
まさかあいつ。
that's scary
魔道具
looking.
というのは魔道具技師の夢でありました。それをこの私が実現したのです。
ハッコン、前に話したことがあるだろう。魔道具に知能を持たせる技術はまだ発見されてないと。
いらっしゃいませ。
だが、人の魂を宿らせれば可能性は皆無じゃない。けどな、それはあまりにも危険な行為だから、魔道具技師
Ah, so we killed somebody and put the
愚かな魔道具技師がその
soul inside.
一つの町を滅亡させやがった。
Of course, it's that
もしかし
dude.
て
どうですか皆さん、この素晴らしい魔道具は。すごすぎるぞ。これで優勝は決まりだな。
あれ？言葉を話しなくて
jeez.
聞いていませんでした？
Oh, that was such a creepy. That was such a creepy reaction. I hated that.
そうした。音声がつけてないぞ。成功させねば。
That happened so freaking quick, man. Jesus.
バカが人の魂を強引に人形に封じ込めやがって。そんな怖い。おいあんたたち、あれを押さえつけられるか？
What are these guys gonna do? They're regular. Oh, I like how they copy pasted them. That's awesome.
これは魔法陣で魂の逃げ道をなくし、洗脳系の魔法まで付与してるのか。くそ、死者を冒涜しやがって。辛かったよな。寝ていたのに無理やり起こして悪かった。今度こそ安らかに眠ってくれ。
バカな。私が幾年も研究を続け、ようやくたどり着いた技法だぞ。すぐに解除できるわけが。
こんなお粗末な方法で偉そうなもんだな。この俺ヒュールミの手にかかれば河津神魔の子供を潰すよりたやすいぜ。
ヒュールミ？まさか相談の天才師ヒュールミか。魔道具技師教育校で爆発やぼや騒ぎを何度も起こしたものでした。睡眠薬を作って学校中眠らせたとか。水を浄化する薬を開発して汚れた池に入れたら浄化どころか水が全て蒸発したって話もあるぞ。
お前ら
That's
この
awesome.
人の話はやめろ。ガナシ様、今回は我らの勝ちのようですわね。
This is great. I love
まあ
them.
面倒な騒動はあったが、無事
Kill me and
今回の依
Corey
頼
are
は
so
成功という
funny.
ことでいいか。ただ一つ問題があるとすれば、ひょっとして俺存在を忘れられてないか。
ああ、油断していた。あれは解放された海藻の7割を手中に収めて、この清流の湖海藻にも手を伸ばしてきた。対策を取らねば一瞬にして滅ぼされる。
我々は一致団結しなければいけません。今こそ最強最悪の食堂鎖食堂を排除するのです。
そうだ、このままじゃ店が潰れちまう。それだ
A
け
chain
そこ
restaurant.
で切り
That's
札とし
funny.
てあるお方をお招きしています。一言ご挨拶いただけますか？
いらっしゃいませ。
ハッコンさん、ありがとうございます。
今の話をまとめると、集落に大手外食チェーンの鎖食堂が進出してきて、もともとあった飲食店が
Going from magic engineering competition to a chain
この
restaurant
ままで
battle.
は我々は
That's
本気で追い
hilarious.
込まれてしまいます。そのために新しいメニューの開発が必要です。皆さん、新作品は持ってきてますか？
Oh, nice.
すげえな。
いらっしゃいませ。
ハッコンさん、
Nice
ちょっと私の作品についてご意見いただけますか？
俺は試食できないんだよな。
ハッコンが困ってるみたいだから、うちとヒュールミが食べて感想を伝えるよ。わかったわ。じゃ、よろしく。
What is that? Shrimp pasta?
悪くないけど味が少し薄いかな。もうちょっと濃厚な方がパスタに絡んで美味しいと思うな。あとパスタはもうちょっとスープを吸い込ませた方がうまくなると思うぜ。
二人とも的確な意見だ。
ちょっと待って、今メモする。
Just turned into a pasta
ハッ
thing?
コンさん、これは
Okay, nice.
濃いめの味付けでとろみも強い。これって動物の乳じゃない？だとしたらもっと
思惑通り、
Okay,
参考になったよ
interesting.
うだ。
俺はどうしたらいい？うちのも教えてくれ。衣がカラッと上がって中はジューシー。最高じゃねえか。
So-
生地の中に果物とクリームが入ってる。甘くて
Where would these guys,
こんな
regular
感じで
guys, get
商品を提供してみ
octopus
たら
and chicken
店
then?
主たちはそれを参考にメ
I've
ニュー
only
開発に
seen
取り掛か
frogs
り
in
始
this
めた。
entire show.
さあさあいらっしゃい。今日から新メニュー
But
販売
whatever.
お肉を油
Just
で
gonna completely
ここでしか味わえ
move
ない味だ
past
よ。
it. I really like though that they do completely new character models for everybody.
ああ、
But
これで鎖食
those security guards were copied over in last up in a bit ago.
う
But
まそうな匂い。
still,
あっちはまた
this one, yeah, Long Line is a chain restaurant. A full-on burger. Where are they getting the beef?
よし、 新メニューはラミスとヒュールミが味見したおかげでかなりいい仕
Also,
上
I
がりにな
haven't
ってる
seen
よ
any fresh fruit or
お客さんが
farms.
来ないと思ったらこれは一体
They just have full-on
また
strawberries.
のご利用をお待ちしています。
覚えてろよ。
じゃあまあ見ろってんだやったね発
Oh,
こうしてムナミたちの
It's
店は
fun.
稀に見る大盛況となった。それから1ヶ月後、客が激減した鎖食堂はあっさりと清流の湖階層の集落から撤退した。
too bad about the other towns with different restaurants.
ここまで見事な引き際だと
feel bad
運があ
for
るので
them.
はないかと疑ってしまう。
よ、ハッコン、また活躍したらしいな。
This guy just always randomly shows up everywhere. He's just always
気がついたら
around.
俺たちの遠征に付き合わないか。
残念。
いや、相変わらず即答しやがる。まあ、ラミスにも話を通してからってことだよな。雪解けまでにはまだ時間がある。のんびり考えておいてくれや。
私は戦いたい。そうじゃないといつまでだっても強くなれないから。もしかして敵を撃つつもりかい。俺が何を言っても無駄か。今のお前には頼もしい相棒がいるしな。
いらっしゃいませ。
ありがとうハッコンヒュルミ。
ラミスはずっと辛い思いを抱えてたんだな。それなのにいつも俺に優しくしてくれて。何も言えないけど俺にできることは。
What machine is he going for this time?
おおこんな綺麗な花見たことねえぞ。
Oh, flowers, nice.
しかして
Is it a pomfrina?
いらっしゃいませ。
よかったじゃねえかありがとうハッコン大事にするね。
知ってるかいラミス。ピンク色のカーネーションの花言葉は感謝って言うんだよ。
Alrighty, and that was episode 5 of Vending Machine. Completely, just shortened it down. But the first half was hilarious. I love Hyomi and Sori together. The funny moments like fighting, I already freaking forgot her name, Kanashi. With like the rich girl laughs and everything like that was awesome. That golem was super freaking creepy. Definitely did that well. And just overall, just a pretty fun episode. Definitely better than, you know, the past couple episodes. But the first half. The second half definitely went right back down and slowed down a lot, but still some interesting fun moments. Just kind of random, felt like a filler episode. That is how the light novel goes. So I'm curious to see if I would look it up of where we're at on things with this show, because there's only like 85 chapters in the light novel. Excited to see what episode 6 is going to be like, since they're obviously going to skip through the winter and go straight fighting with the menagerie of fools and get some revenge, kill some monsters. Lamus is going to have definitely a training arc, you could say. So I'm really interested to seeing where that will go. And that episode will be out on August 9th, so I'll react to it a little bit past that if I'm don't get busy like last time. So really interested in seeing where things will go from here. I think that's going to do it for me. Like I definitely think I'm enjoying this show a little bit more. I feel like these past 2 episodes have been pretty fun. And obviously made me laugh. And I'm just wanting to watch something lighthearted and fun. So overall, I would probably give these last 2 episodes probably a 7 out of 10. So I think the show for me is still a 6 out of 10. Just a bit slow going, essentially, but it's still pretty fun. So I think that's going to do it for me. Thank you everyone for watching, and have a great day. I will see you in the next reaction video.